Welcome, I'm David Riggs. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. Following an automobile accident, you want to make sure you gather some very specific information if you are at all capable of doing so. And what I mean by that, if you are physically capable, if you haven't been significantly injured, and if it's safe for you to do so. Some of these things would include making sure you obtain photographs of the accident scene itself. Most of us have cell phones with cameras on them. Take pictures of the area. Make sure that you get the information from the other driver, his or her insurance information and driver's license. I often would encourage a person to snap a picture of it with, again, the iPhone, so you make sure you have the accurate number. Sometimes we've run across situations where numbers have been transposed or left out, and so we were unable to find the right person. Next, make sure you find any witnesses if they exist, because those witnesses are going to be critically important in identifying who's responsible for the accident if there's at all any question about it. Next, you want to make sure that you've communicated your accident to local authorities. And I'm not doing this all in a particular order, because one of those things you want to make sure you get right off the bat is a 911 call off to get a police officer and or ambulance service present if necessary. But make sure you get someone out there if they will come out. Sometimes they won't, depending on the nature of the accident. But those are some of those things you want to make sure you have, because preservation of evidence is critically important. You want to make sure you have that evidence so you can provide it to the attorney to help him or her do their best job for you in recovering for your accident. Last thing I want to encourage you to do is make sure that as you are healing from the recovery, is that you take pictures of any injuries that you suffered, such as bruising, swelling, scratches, cuts, those types of things. You want to document those injuries, because then you can prove the significance of that impact and what it did to your body. These are just a few suggestions on some of the things you should get at the scene of the accident immediately thereafter. I'm sure there's many others, and use your wisdom if you have been involved in an accident to get the most you can to help your lawyer succeed for you.